Tyson Lund with the LundTeam, standing in what is one of the most magnificent living rooms, entertainment rooms, and very functional that we've come across in a very long time. We are in our brand new listing, 7403 Via De Fortuna, Road of the Fortunate, as the best we can translate it. The Jockey Club is unique in North County for attracting an affluent buyer. This is the large floor plan. This is the floor plan with this master suite downstairs, essentially. You have 2 bedrooms upstairs, so you have a downstairs bedroom, and it just flows. The downstairs is opened up as a great room. This large area with these floor-to-ceiling windows. The original owner has lovingly improved the interior in most every facet here. What is unique about the property with the location is that you have this extra deep and large outdoor space for the community that is totally maintained by the homeowners association. So it has this extra side yard and backyard to the brick wall in the back. You are a short walking distance to the La Costa Resort and Spa. If I encourage you to go find out more at La Costa Resort, it's absolutely fabulous and really a value add for the Jockey Club and this particular home. We want to encourage you to come find out more about the Jockey Club, find out more about this particular property. You're not going to find it anywhere else, anything like it, anywhere else in the city, even in the adjacent cities. There's just not this type of quality and this type of unique layout. So it's really going to resonate, and it's very emotional. So we encourage you to come by, book a showing with us, send us an email, call us. Happy to meet you and answer questions about the property, and look forward to meeting you and showing you this very special home in South Carlsbad. It's Tyson Lund with the LundTeam. Thank you.